Yay! Yes, beautiful princess. Princess Caitlin is making or drawing a card for teacher for Valentine's Day today. Look at me, princess. Hi, beautiful. That's a beautiful giraffe, princess.
She loves giraffes.
Oh, wow. You're an artist, princess.
I never drew a giraffe before.
I know, but you know how. You're so cute. You're so beautiful. Thank you.
The sun.
Okay. That's a beautiful giraffe you draw. Awesome, Angel. It's so beautiful. Oops. Excuse me.